good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So what do I have here right now? So actually, even my videographer didn't know what is this one. See? So this is just spare of the moment. Now I keep bragging my RHR here at Skinler that I really want to buy a flat sandal. Look at that. So our agent, his name is Jay. Thank you, Jay, for coming. So this is a beautiful piece that he make, ribbon. So do you wanna guess what it is, Sharina?
Sandals.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, what type of sandal?
I have no idea.
Look at that. Can you focus it? The Gucci and everything. Ta-da-dang! So this is, wow, Jay, look at you, very finesse. Iba talaga ang Pilipino mag-rap, no? Yun ang napansin ko. So because I have 3 agents there, I have Christine, I have Lee, and I have Jay. Kahit nasa salita pa to ha, nagdo-double tasking pa to siya. Dito sa side. So actually we have a hard time thinking what pair should we look. Oh, baka malaki yung chan ko dyan. Opo na. Do you like it, Sharina?
I do.
Oh, so actually I have a hard time. I was thinking, so this is for your information, guys. This is a Maltese leather. So ibig sabihin galing made in Italy. Sorry. So this is a Maltese leather. Look at that. So this double G for your. This one started in 1960s leather. Look at, so but this double G started before 1930s, but they changed it and changed it to double G. So if you could see, there is here for the authenticity, kasi maraming mga jamok-jamok ngayon. So nandito yung sizes, para makita nyo dyan underneath. Diyan yung makita. Made in Italy talaga. And then you can really feel the leather. And very soft, very smooth. So kaya, if you wash this one, it should be dry cloth, not wet cloth. Look at that. Naka-imbus talaga siya. Ganyan. Ganyan po siya. So, actually, I have the beige, but I like the black because I can wear it anytime. I can pair it with my dress. Do I make the right choice, Sharina? Because I was really thinking to get this one. If they can see it. This one, the black one, or this material. You don't like this material, right? Or the canvas one. You don't like
That's
this.
nice.
That's nice too.
Yeah, but black is you can wear it whatever dress you, whatever color of your dress, right? You love to wear dress, so
Yeah, I love to wear dress, so I think black. So yeah, so for those watching here. So I will try it on so that you would see. So even the piece, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 of those. So kung lumampas na, maging 6 na, kayo na lang bahala kung saan nyo kinuha yun. So it comes with this. So, yeah. Thank you. So we'll take a photo. We'll take a photo of it and we'll show you. Take a photo, please. Oh. Later, guys, we'll take a photo in it, and I'll take a photo. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Like